What comes to mind when I think about Jon is his determination, his drive, and his passion. Those are really important things that he really instilled in our family and in the company as well. When I look back on his career, he got his first patent when he was 24 years old. So he's been doing manufacturing. It's been his drive to be creative and to build things for so long. His drive and his spirit and his integrity is what created the values that really guides our company.
I started working when I was about 12, and I like to learn different processes and be able to pass them on to other people, so it's kind of fun. Starting out doing plumbing and refrigeration and electrical, which helped us to design products. I'm kind of hands-on. I can do all the sheet metal work. At one time I bent all the sheet metal, welded it all, did all of it. So every job here I've done once or twice. The nice thing about having your family here, and all of the kids are in a different part of the business, someone has your back. Can't do any better than having family business. And that's a good value because we're all enjoying what we're doing. And we can take care of the community. Manufacturing should help the community. Every job in a building is important, from packaging the equipment to designing the equipment. We take care of our family. We have a very low turnover rate here. People are going to be with you for most of their life. You should treat them well.
Everything that he's done and achieved, he's done with a mindset towards making sure that others were successful. The main thing that makes Jon a good leader is that he has put in the hard work, and that he understands what he's asking you to do. He's always pushing forward and wanting to learn the next thing. So he's a catalyst to making people want to go and try the next thing.